In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word not responding in Windows 10. Let's start by being patient. When Microsoft Word isn't responding, the first thing to do is wait a few minutes. Do not click repeatedly. Clicking multiple times can cause more issues and make the program even slower. Wait between 2 to 5 minutes. This waiting period is especially important if you're working with large files. They might just need a little extra time to load. After waiting, check if Word responds. If Word is still not responding, the next step is to force close the application. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all at once. This will open the Task Manager. From there, you need to select Microsoft Word from the list. Once selected, click on End Task. This action forces Word to close. Reopen Word to see if this resolves the issue. This step is crucial because it stops any processes that might be causing Word to freeze. Now let's look at disabling Word add-ins. Open Microsoft Word. Click on File, then choose Options. In the Options menu, select Add-ins. This is where a lot of hidden helpers might be slowing down your Word. Click Go beside COM Add-ins. Uncheck all the add-ins listed there. Then click OK. Restart Word to ensure the changes take effect. Disabling add-ins helps because sometimes these little helpers can conflict with Word, causing it to stop responding. After that, it's important to ensure your Microsoft Office is up to date. Open Word once more, click on File, then move to Account. Here you'll find Update options. Select it and then click on Update Now. Word will check for any available updates and install them. After the update process is complete, restart Word again. Keeping your software updated is vital, as updates often fix bugs and improve performance. At this point, you've taken several steps to resolve the issue. Remember, each step builds on the last to ensure a thorough troubleshooting process. If Word is still not responding after following these steps, it might be time to consider other technical factors like system resources or background processes, but these primary steps solve the problem in most cases. Thank you for watching. I hope these steps help you get Microsoft Word running smoothly again on your Windows 10 machine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.